JCTRUTHER, another easy homemade recipe video. We're gonna make the easiest or the cheapest, easiest salsa recipe. This is literally like the cheapest, easiest way you can make a salsa. I mean, it still comes out pretty good. I think it comes out warm. It's regular, cheap, easy way to make salsa. Just get some Rotel, original Rotel. Or whatever, they even have a new one, that Hot Valley green chili one, roasted one. That'll probably be pretty good too. But this is just regular Rotel, original. See, look, non-GMO. That's what I like. That's tight. A lot of stuff I didn't even know. Now they had to start labeling it, so that's cool. And then just some salt. Garlic powder. And cayenne or crushed red pepper. This is ground red pepper, but you know, like the crushed red pepper, like you put on pizzas or whatever. You get that piqué, chili piqué. But yeah, I just do this one, cayenne pepper, ground cayenne pepper. That gives you your spice. So you add some of that. Yeah, so that's only like $1.25 for the Rotel. And then if you have your spices, those spices are what is expensive, but you need spices to make your food taste good. For sure, salt, pepper, and garlic, you know what I mean? And crushed red pepper. Oh shoot. See what it tastes like. Yep, bomb. Easy, cheap salsa. Really $1.25 if you have your spices. That's like the cheapest way to make a salsa. But much love. Stay strong. Yeah, much love. Stay strong, my brothers and sisters. Catch me on the next video. I'm out. Peace.